Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Today we're showcasing the Catalyst waterproof case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But you might ask, well, isn't the iPhone 11 Pro Max waterproof? Sure, but only for a maximum of 30 minutes. So this is waterproof, so you can keep that 30-minute waterproofing. It can go 33 feet, that's a lot, 10 meters, and it has a 6.6 foot drop protection. It even comes with a wrist lanyard so you don't drop it while you're scooting around in the water there. Here's some details. You can pause the video at any time to take a look, and then we'll show you the actual case. So this is the red-black version. Here's the case. They give you an important warning message right there. So it's two pieces. I popped the back piece on. So there's the lens cover right there, because this is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Here's the relief button or area here. You pop that back off and you can take the phone out. So as you can see, it has all the button covers for everything that you would need. There's power. And then of course the bottom part is covered, but you still get the audio. So that's cool. There's a membrane down at the bottom for that. So that's the case. Again, 33 feet waterproof and 6.6 foot drop protection. This is from Catalyst, and this is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.